Hi everyone, my name is JC Roth and today I'm going to be explaining to you and teaching you how to use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an online platform used to connect people in the professional world for employment opportunities. Why would someone want to use this? Maybe because this is where you can build a profile summarizing your professional experience to your connections and possible future employers. Our goal for today is to learn how to use the platform LinkedIn, and our objectives are to create an account, develop a professional profile, build a contact list of qualified professionals, identify and apply for relevant jobs. So first you will go to your browser and type in www.linkedin.com. There you will press join now, enter your email, and create an account. I'm going to skip the video right here just for privacy reasons, and the rest is self-explanatory until you create an account. Just enter your personal information. You will then get to the step where you enter your student and your degree. Mine is marketing, so I'm just going to enter that in quickly. Enter a confirmation email. Skip a few steps just for the sake of the video, but you can do whatever you would be looking for. Here is where you will be offered to connect with people. You can connect to whoever you want. I'm going to skip this for now. I'm going to skip the app. You can get the app if you would like. Here's many different businesses, platforms, fit professional people. I'm also going to skip this, but you can do whatever you like. And now you're brought to your profile. So now you can go press on view your profile and see that your profile strength is at beginner level. Add position. I just added my work experience in. You can add as many work experience as you want. Then you will click done. Got it. Intermediate profile. Now you can add a profile photo. Preferably this should be a professional picture. I had one taken at JMU at a career fair. Hopefully you can look out for something like that. Save that to your profile. Add some skills. Whatever skills you have, you can add, and then next you will add a summary. For this you can look up different summaries. You can this can range from whatever you were looking to do. Look up different example summaries. I'm just using this as an example, but this is obviously not something that you should write your summary. It should be about a paragraph long. So now your profile is all set. You obviously would want to have more information. I'm just doing this really fast just to show you the gist of it. And now it's time to network. So now you should make connections. See, it brings you to people who you may connect with, because I work at Topgolf, so it's giving me all those people that work at Topgolf that would be interested in connecting with me. Connect with whoever you'd want. Look up people from your school, friends, family, whoever you feel it's good to build a large range of connections. That will just help you out in the long run. And then this is what is important that really helped me. This helped me get an internship. So you can just search up any job you're looking for. I'm going to do marketing assistant because for this is the type of job that I have right now. And I found it on LinkedIn. So here at the top, you can definitely change this to whatever you'd want, whatever you're interested in doing. I am doing internship, show the results, and here you can click on anything you want and apply. And there you have it. It will take you to the website, apply for the job, and apply as many as you want. I really hope this helped you to make a LinkedIn profile, and I hope you make one. Thanks for watching.